In this video, I'll show you how to lower the rear seats of your Volvo S60. So to do this, okay, there is no latch inside, not even in the middle like most cars. You need to go and pop the trunk. Over here, right in the middle, there's two latches that you need to pull on them like this. And then inside, you simply need to lower the backrest, both of them. And yeah, now your rear seats are folded flat. I mean, the flattest it's possible. When time comes to put them back, make sure that the seat belt is not hiding the latches. Bring back manually each backrest. Again, the seat belt is in the way, so make sure it goes here. And then try to move them around and make sure that they will not fall down in case of an accident and they are clearly latched in place. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.